Hi there, and welcome to this tutorial how to use Nextcloud, the cloud server of Mosaics Multiply. My name is Gerhard, and I give you a short overview how to work with files and folders at Nextcloud. With this tutorial you also received your personal Mosaics Multiply information account, the username and your password. And if you have it with you, you can follow along. Let's get started. So first of all, I add the username. I created a random user. I add the password and I log in. Now I get to the dashboard of Mosaics Multiply. It's a first overview of some basic information, for example, the files you worked the last time, some important mail that may received, or upcoming events. If you don't like this log, you can customize it on your own way. You can choose one of the existing files, the existing images, or with this PicForm files, you also can upload your own image to use it as a background. I choose this, go back to the background, and here we are again to the dashboard. We have two important parts of Nextcloud. This is the settings part. We come to that later, and here are I call it the work part. You see files and talk and mail and calendar. These are add-ons to Nextcloud, very cool add-ons, and I make some additional videos how to, for example, how to work with the calendar. Very cool. But let's start with files. Click on this icon and you enter the home part of your file structure. Here you see some folders and some files. These are folders and files that come along when an account is created new. You may use it, but if you don't want, you can delete it. Very easy to delete. Go to the file or the folder you don't want to use, mark it, and go on delete file, and it will disappear. Also go on this 3 button icon and delete the file. Okay. What you here see is the part of Nextcloud that is only visible for you. Nobody in Mosaics Multiply will see what you have on your cloud server. No one will see your files. No one will see your folders. It's only you work, and it's only available for you. Let's enter this file. You see here some documents, some files, and this is very cool. You see here, you see a Word file, and usually you would download it, open Word, make your changes, save it, and upload it to your server. Very complicated. It's very easy in Nextcloud to work with these files. Double click on it, and you will have a surrounding like Word. It's like Word. It's not Word. It's like Word. And here you can add your wordings, letter or something else, and can work it within Nextcloud. If you're ready, you can you can save your files and go on it later on. It will be saved when you close this document. You don't have to click this save and give this a file name. It will be saved. You also can add new documents. Go on this plus icon, and this is pretty cool. You can here create a Word document or an Excel document or a PowerPoint document. These are also part of Nextcloud, and you can use it as your cloud office. Very cool to work with. Let's go back to the home part of your Nextcloud office. As I told you, it's only visible for you, but by working in a cloud, you want to share sometimes for example, your folder with other persons, with other users of Mosaics Multiply. When you want to share it, you go on this share icon. It's now only an icon. If you click it, you come to the sharing area on the right side. You can either share a link of this folder with someone who don't have access to Nextcloud, and you can share it with a user of Nextcloud, with one of the Mosaics Multiply users. To do so, go on this field where it's set name, email, or Cloud ID, and for example, you want to share this folder with me. You start writing my name, and now my user account will appear. You go on it, and now I am related to this folder. When you close it, it seemed to be that nothing happens, but if you refresh your browser, you will see now this folder is shared, and this folder is shared with me. I get now a mail information that you shared this folder documents with me, and now all the files that is stored in documents is available for me. I can read it, I can work on it, I can add own files to your folder, and you will see it as well. So it's very cool and very easy to work with documents, to share documents or folders with other persons. If you want to, if you want to share only one file, it's also possible. Same way, mark it, go to this share icon, and here you can add some persons to look at these files. Specific this one file. You don't have access to the folder above, only to that file. I'll delete it. Nothing happened. Everything is fine. So it's very easy to work with this folder structure, but it's only possible to work at the browser Nextcloud surrounding when you are online. Maybe you are on the plane, train, you're sitting in a cafe, and you want to work on your files. There are possibilities. There is a way to use Nextcloud also in an offline mode. For that, you see here your personal icon. When you click on it, you get to a menu structure, and you choose settings. This leads you to your personal account. Here you can add some further informations, phone number, addresses, or something else. And under that lock icon, you can choose how to deal with the informations. Is it visible to people on this instance, or is it only visible for you? You can choose what informations you want to share with others. You can here under security change your password. This is what I recommend very highly after your first access to your Nextcloud. Change your password so only you have the possibility to get access to your Nextcloud account. Remember how to use secure passwords. It's good to save all the informations very good. And now what I told you, I now want to explain to you is you can use the Nextcloud also on your desktop. When you go to this button, mobile and desktop, you see here that it is possible to get the apps to sync your files on your desktop. When you go to this desktop app, you will see you get this app to nearly every system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. So choose your system you are working with, and when you click on this button, it will set up a download of the desktop app. It will download it and saved on your computer. I close this because I don't need to. When you have installed the desktop client, you have to open this program and just follow along the installation wizard. The first step, you have to enter the server address. It is https://cloud.mosaicsmultiply.com. After you've entered, go to Next. Now you have again to enter your username and your password. Also go to Next. Then say sync everything from server. And here you can choose keep local data. So this will synchronize your Nextcloud file structure on your computer. And this is at this path you will find your Nextcloud file. You can say where it should be stored. You have the possibility to change this path. And after it is finished, you can click Open Local File Folder and Finish. And now your Nextcloud data structure is synchronized on your computer. You find this Nextcloud folder on your computer, and you can now work in this folder as on every folder on your computer. When you're not online, you can work on your files. You can change a document, or you can add a document, or whatever. You work as you are used to work, and next time you are online, in the background it will synchronize to your Nextcloud account on the Mosaics Multiply server structure. So it's very easy to work with, and also when you upload some videos with Creator file quota, the browser might have troubles because it's like a bottleneck. But if you upload videos or something else on your desktop app, it will be uploaded in a very secure way, and there will be no errors by uploading great files. So it's a very good and a very easy way to work with the files on Nextcloud, either on your browser or on your desktop. And the desktop is the most comfort way to work with these files, as you are used to work with other files. So this is a easy way to use the Nextcloud server on Mosaics Multiply. If you have further questions, or if you have problems with setting up your account, please feel free to contact me. I'll love to help you and to get you familiar with Nextcloud. So thank you very much for watching and to following this tutorial, and I would say I'll see you at the next one.